ano yung susunod yung gagawin. We'll get to know them a little bit more, but of course, this will not be part of our judging anymore. Ito lang yung chance na probably, pag nanalo sila, they go to move on to the grand finals, mas relax na sila, they get to know how to work you guys out, mas nakaka-relate sila, mas, alam mo yun, iba yung eye contact, at syempre, baka naman may gusto silang i-promote, and you can follow them on their social media pages as well. Quickly pala, the winners this afternoon will get to move on to the grand finals, and they will receive 2,000 pesos. For the non-winners, of course, the experience of being with you guys, syempre, napasaya nila tayong lahat, but they get to take home 1,000 pesos kung sakasakali. Alright! Now, let's start off with the babes. Okay. Big number one. Alright, big number one, this is very, very simple. Usually, I just ask you guys, what's your name? And if you have social media handles, if you guys do TikTok, if you guys vlog, this is the perfect time we're in. We have so many here that are watching. Ano ba naman yung 100 and 150 you get to follow you guys and syempre be a fan of you, di ba? At kung nagpa-promote naman kayo ng businesses ninyo, ayan, if I'm not mistaken, may mga nagtitignan na seafood dito, ganyan, or nagpa-promote ng mga pills, what do you call this one? Mga supplements, there you go. So pwede rin yun. Para meron sila dati, type in AC, tapos may 10% discount. So if you want to promote that as well, kindly do so. Alright, and kung may gusto pala kayong pasalamatan na nanonood na hapon na ito. Okay, take it away, babe number one.
Hi everyone, my name is Bianca Camille Paredes from Quiapo, Manila. My FB name is Bianca Camille Paredes and my IG is PIAAA Paredes. Thank you to Jay Pelicano, to my friend, for inviting me here.
Alright, so you can follow her on your social media pages. That's, once again, sorry, VIAAA Paredes. And thank you so much to her friend as well for inviting her and being part. Maraming salamat po kayo. And now we move on to babe number two. Same questions lang with everyone. Let's make it very quick and very light. Alright, babe number two.
Hi everyone, my name is Akira Roa and please follow my IG account which is ICYBRL and follow and do add me on my Facebook account Akira Roa AKIRAROA and I would like to thank to my handler po na nag-invite sa akin dito and sa inyo pong lahat na nanonood. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Let's give a hand for babe number one, babe number two. Alright, that's Akira Roa for her handle on her Facebook page. Now we move on to babe number three. Alright, babe number three, take it away.
Hi, I'm Hazel Cayetano from Rizal. As you can see guys, I may be not that fit, but I may promise to you that I'll do more exercise to be sexy and more fabulous if I will be one of the grand finalists of Sex Summer Bodies. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sheila. I would just like to say you look truly beautiful, you look stunning. Of course, everyone has their own definition of whatever sexy is nowadays, di ba? But you yourself, you are beautiful and stunning, and you should be truly confident, di ba? Huwag tayo maiyak, di ba? Kung ano as long as we are healthy with our heart, with our mind, and our body. Yeah, meron ka ba social media handles? Do you do TikTok, Instagram? Can you invite us as well, Hazel?
Please do follow my page, Hazel Cayetano, and on IG it's me, Hazel09. Thank you.
Alright, you can follow her on Sweet Hazel09. That's her TikTok account. Tama, alright! Oh, may memory gap pa kasi sobrang bilis na. dami nagsustor ng information. Alright, now we move on to our next babe number 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Trisha Valdez.
Hello everyone, I'm Trisha Valdez from Pangasinan. Please follow my FB, Trisha Valdez, and my Instagram account is It's So Good. And thank you to my
Thank you so much, Trisha. You can follow her on her social media page for Facebook. That's Trisha Valdez with a Z. There we go. Alright, good luck to you guys. Now we move on to babe number 5. Same question.
Good evening everyone. I am April Mariki, 18 from Taytay Rizal. Well, I would like to thank my Team 10 for being my backbone and for my beautiful outfits, as you can see. Please do follow me on my TikTok account since I am boasting it. That is Kate17.
That's KEYPIE17. You can follow her on your social media page. That's KEYPIIIEE17. That's a lot of I and a lot of E. Pretty much if you type in on Google, April kinalabas dito eventually. So thank you so much and do support of course babe number 5. Oh yeah, babe number 6. We have Jane. Alright, babe number 6, same question. Take it away.
Hello everyone, I'm Jane Villa from Bulacan, and please follow my Facebook account, NelVSingMonIG.
Short and sweet that I can follow her again on her Facebook account. That's Nelby. Nelby. There. Thank you so much for your number. Palakpakan natin ang mga babes. And now we move on quickly to our haunts. Start doing it. Alright, brother. Welcome back, I should say. Alright, now do you have... Same question na lang din with everyone. So, let's make it quick. Baka may mga bago kang ginagawa ngayon. I-invite us para naman mas ma-follow ka namin.
Hi everyone, this is John Philip Briggs. Actually, this is now my second time to compete here in Isitan. And sana po i-support niyo ako sa kayo mga pagpalain po ako maging grand finalist din. Kita-kits na lang po tayo sa finals kasi nagkakanta po talaga ako and ito talaga po yung forte ko. Summer bodies talaga yung pinagkukupitan ko. Thanks din sa sa gym namin, sa Erical Fitness kasi nag-enroll na po ako. Kasi sana po magtuloy-tuloy na po ito hanggang sa finals. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, brother, that's hall number 1. He already enrolled in gym and he's really committed to going all the way into the grand finals. Now we move on to hall number 2.
First of all, good evening everyone. Thank you for staying here and for the panel of judges still sitting there. And I'm also Edgardo, or you can follow me on my Facebook and Instagram as Ed Sostaya. If you want me to know more, kindly follow the Team Malasakit or Team Batang Munwok. It's a non-profit organization that lead life of many. It's gonna be a volunteering regardless of education and community welfare. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hall number 2, so you do have a charitable, meron siyang charity. Kumbaga, that's Team Malasakit. Tama ba? So you can follow that on their Facebook page para mas makasuporta tayo. Alright! Now we move on to haunt number 3. May mga sumisigaw dito kanina, haunt number 3. Take it away.
Hi, I'm Mark Anthony Pabilan from Antipolo, Rizal. Gusto ko lang po pasalamatan po yung mga tao na kahit hindi ko kilala ay sumusuporta po sa akin. At sana po, kung sakaling tanggapin po ulit ako dito, ay sana po patuloy niyo po ako sa kanila. Yun lang po din ako.
Thank you so much. Now we move on to haunt number 4. Alright, brother, take it away.
Magandang gabi, I'm Andrew Gonzalez from Tondo, Manila. Please follow my social media account. I am Andre Gonzalez sa ID and FB sa Andre Gonzalez. Thank you.